is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for copywriting. But before I begin with the video, if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month instead of paying $32. So if you want that, click the link in the description. Now, to use ChatGPT for copywriting, it's pretty simple. Let's say you have a copy. Let's just first tell him to give me a copy. Write me a copy for about pillow, whatever. Now that you have a copy, there are some things you can say before you give it the text. Like, imagine you are the best pillow copywriter ever with 40 years of experience. You know what to say a pillow. Remake my copy, and then boom, you paste it, and then it's going to remake it. So it's pretty important when it comes to copywriting that you give it inputs before you actually give it the copy or to write your copy. For example, write me this in PAS copy structure. So it's a problem, adjective, solution. So you just want to come in and say all the things like, imagine you're the best copywriter in the world, has 50 years of experience writing about X, you have done this and that. The more you feed it with information, the better your copy will turn out to be. You can always say, make it better. If you want to learn what he has done and how you can learn as well, you can type in, how can I learn how to write like you? So you can also ask ChatGPT that. Then it's going to give you some steps. What also you can do is you can say, I wrote this copy, and then you can say, I wrote this. How can I make it better and why? And then it's basically going to tell you what you can do better and whatever. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in Shopify, click the link in the description.